Good morning friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's lecture I will tell you about the differential operation on a signal, how to perform dx by dt. If the xt is given to you, how to find out yt equal to dxt by dt. Actually you can find out the differentiation of any signal with the help of graphical representation also, but it is valid only for rectangular and triangular pulse. So dxt by dt, what it is? It is slope of xt with respect to time. This is the circuit of the differentiator. Output will be, if the input is Vit, output will be minus Rc d Vit by dt. Okay. So when you will apply here any input waveform, you will get it differentiation. Next example, if xt is given to you, you have to find out dxt by dt. So how to find out dxt by dt? Basically you have to find out its slope. Slope is m or tan theta. This is 4 by 2. So when you will differentiate this ramp signal, you will get step signal. Up to 0 to 2 you will get step signal of amplitude 2, and then this is line, slope is 0, so this is 0. Okay, so this is your output because its slope is 0, this is 0. xt you can represent mathematically. How to represent? 2RT, and here signal changing minus 2RT minus 2. I have separate lecture based on this mathematical representation of the signal, so just go through that lecture. And yt, how to represent? Simple, 2 ut minus 2 ut minus 2. Next example, this pulse is given to you. You have to find out its dxt by dt. So this is slope and this is line. So when you will differentiate this line, slope is 0, you will get impulse signal and magnitude will be 5. So when you will differentiate this line, you will get impulse signal, and here also you will get impulse signal of magnitude minus 5. Mathematically you can represent xt equal to 5 ut minus 5 ut minus 4. Okay, yt simple 5 delta t minus 5 delta t minus 4. It is shifted at t equal to 4. Next example, xt is given to you 0 to 2. This is ramp signal and this is simple line. Slope is infinite, and so from 0 to 2 you will get step signal. When you will differentiate the ramp, you will get step of amplitude. Its slope is tan theta, 4 by 2, and this is basically for this line you will get impulse signal with amplitude minus 4. Okay, this is 0, so here it is 0. Mathematically you can write xt equal to 2RT minus 2R t minus 2 plus 2R t minus 2. It will be cancelled out, so you will get 2RT. Further you can expand 2RT, it is TUT, so this is 2TUT. Next example is xt is given to you from 0 to 2 ramp. Again it is ramp, then line. So when you will differentiate this ramp, you will get here this step signal with amplitude. Amplitude will be its slope. Slope is tan theta, 4 by 2, so it is 2. Then it is coming downward, so you have to find out its slope. How to find out? X comma y 2 comma 4, here x minus 4 x plus 4 comma minus 4, So how to find out slope? Y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Minus 8 divided by 2, it is minus 4. So 2 and it is minus 4. So from 2 to 4, you will differentiate this line. So you will get here step signal. When you will differentiate this ramp, you will get step. So this is 2 and 4. Okay. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.